Alright, so there's something I really need to talk about. I'm actually quite livid. I'm distraught. My flabber was ghosted. This woman came up. I was doom scrolling on TikTok, as one does on a Friday afternoon. I was doom scrolling TikTok, and this woman came up, and just I don't know what her name is. I can't remember, but she just casually ruined my whole childhood, and she casually did it with one sentence, just one sentence. She had the audacity to make me aware that cream soda's flavor is vanilla. It's a vanilla drink. Cream soda is vanilla. And to make it even worse, and this is like the cherry on the cake, to make it even worse, South Africa is literally one of the only countries, or very few countries in the world, that colors its cream soda green. It's not green everywhere else. It's the same color of Sprite. And then it had me digging, and then I found out that Sprite, you know Sprite, that sweet drink, Sprite, it's lemon flavored. It's basically sparkly lemonade. And I honestly don't know what to do with that information. I am distraught. Like I said, my flabber is ghosted. I am absolutely, no, I'm just kidding, I'm over exaggerating. But did you guys know that cream soda is literally just vanilla flavored cold drink? And it's clear. It's like a clear drink everywhere else. Only here we have it in green. And on a side note, when I was still a medic back in the day, like a million moons ago, we used to call it the green ambulance, the groen ambulance, because if you had a hangover, nothing cured a hangover quite like a can of cream soda, like ice cold cream soda. So probably didn't work really, placebo effect, but still, it was the green ambulance.